How to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Now head towards the chat tab. Now here you're going to find all of your conversations. Now head towards the group chat from where you want to remove the voice chat. Open it. After you open the group chat, now head towards the voice chat that you want to remove. Just press and hold on the voice chat that you want to remove. Different options will appear. Click on the option of delete. Now click on this delete icon. You'll get the pop-up delete message, delete for everyone or delete for me. If you want to delete for both the parties, you can click on the option of delete for everyone. If you just want to delete this voice chat for yourself, click on the option of delete for me. I'm gonna delete for everyone. And just with that, you remove the voice chat from the WhatsApp group. By applying the same process, you can easily remove any voice chat from WhatsApp group. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.